So hey guys, every year Samsung's new devices are leaked in hands-on images or video only a few days before their official release. And yes, today I have brought you a hands-on video and more about the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Here is your first look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra in all its beauty. Not only that, but we have phone in all color variants which are the official colors as I said in my previous S23 video. In my opinion, the overall appearance is very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We also get to see the back of the S23 Ultra, which appears to be boxier than the S22 Ultra and with flatter sides. The leak came from KM Cell Store, is a mobile phone retailer, and it appears that Samsung has already delivered the Galaxy S22 Ultra to them. The packaging appears to be little weird, but veteran leaker Ice Universe hasn't raised any issues, implying we're looking at the real deal. The colors don't exactly matches the recently leaked renders, which shows the phones as dark and washed out. They are more similar to leaked promotional materials. Not only that, but the shop has begun testing the camera of the S23 Ultra. We got to see not much in the video, but some camera app images have also been leaked showing the 200 megapixel mode and 8K 30 FPS settings. As you can see, Samsung has also modified the box design this year. The box is now all black with a small image of the phone in the center. We also got to see the S23 Ultra and S23 Plus in a one frame. This is the only image we get to see the S23 Plus, but if anything comes about the S23 Plus in the upcoming days, I will make sure to keep you all updated. So, a custom version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is expected to fuel the Galaxy S23 series. The S23 Ultra is highly likely to flaunt a monster 200 megapixel camera, which could help it to become the best camera phone of 2023. Samsung will formally announce the phones on February 1st. It's still not abundantly clear whether the series will stick to the $799 starting price of the Galaxy S22 range. You can get a head started on orders by reserving the Galaxy S23 today. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.